Gospel means good news. If I had to summarize the entire Bible in one sentence, I would say God gets his family back.
Torej, če bi moral povzeti celotno sveto pismo, zgodbo svetega pisma v en stavek, bi rekel, Bog dobi nazaj svojo družino.
Jesus says that basically in the parable of the prodigal son.
Jezus to zelo dobro pove, na primer v priliki o izgubljenem sinu.
There was a good son and a bad son.
Torej, bila sta dober in pa slab sin.
And in the story, the father is on the edge of the porch every day looking at the horizon. Could today be the day that my lost son comes back?
In je oče potem na dvorišču in gleda v daljavo in se sprašuje, a je danes dan, ko bo prišel nazaj moj izgubljen sin.
I believe that's how God looks at us, looks at this planet.
In jaz verjamem, da tako Bog gleda na nas, na ta planet.
There's been a disruption, there's been a break, but God, above all, wants that break to be overcome.
Torej, zgodil se je zlom, zgodila se je prekinitev in Bog hrepeni potem, da bi to povrnil nazaj.
One of the most famous verses is John 3:16, for God so loved the world that he gave his only son.
Mislim, da je najbolj znanih vrstic je Janez 3:16, ker pravi, da je Bog tako ljubil svet, da je dal svojega sina.
So to me, that's the essence of the gospel, God getting his family back.
In mislim, da je to bistvo evangelija, da Bog pridobi nazaj svojo družino.